Chlorhexidine, or chlorhexidine, is an organic compound that's been used globally since the 1950s. It's been used in agriculture and veterinary sciences since 1955 and was introduced into the healthcare industry in the 70s. The CDC states that the addition of chlorhexidine to alcohol-based solutions can result in persistent antimicrobial activity. To veterinarians, it's a surgery prep and shampoo. To dentists, it's a mouthwash used to treat plaque and gingivitis. To urologists, it's embedded in catheters and irrigates bladders. To a farmer, it decontaminates food and water troughs. To a cardiologist, it's an antimicrobial PICC line. To a nurse, it's the wash they use on patients every 24 hours. To a surgeon, it's what they use to scrub in for surgery in between patients. To a butcher, it's a disinfectant they use in federally inspected meat, poultry, egg, and rabbit processing plants. To a cosmetic company, it's the ingredient in eye makeup, foundation, and other skin and hair products that inhibits the growth of fungi and bacteria. To the obstetrician in developing countries, it's what's used to wipe umbilical cords and reduce the risk of neonatal infectious morbidity and mortality, helping to prevent the transmission of HIV from mother to infant. To the founders and formulators of COMPEL, it's about time. Time to make this proven agent conveniently available as a powerful dose of confidence in a world of uncertainty.